I am Nishantha. I am from Sri Lanka. I was an academic at the University of Moratuwa, teaching power generation system modeling for almost 17 years. And those days, in 1995, only 60% of Sri Lankan population had access to electricity. So those days I thought, okay, what is the best thing I can do for the country? I went to the village where they do not have electricity. And we designed hydro turbines, we designed everything and did community off-grid village hydro projects. That was my expertise. So we did 15 off-grid village hydro projects in Sri Lanka. Now 98% has access to electricity. So the knowledge I gained, I put it back to the university. And every year I went for international conferences and made publications on how to do these projects, because these were not new concepts even to the world. Politicians understood the significance of sustainable energy development. So actually I entered into ceramics bathware industry almost 20 years ago. That factory was the first Sri Lankan factory, only one. So it's a big challenge for me to enter into from hydropower industry to ceramics industry. So I took the challenge. Actually it took me nearly 7 to 10 years to make it profitable. After making it profitable, then I thought we should do more and more innovations, because it's a very competitive industry. Lot of imports at low cost are dumping into Sri Lanka. We had to compete with those products at a low cost but high quality. So we did a lot of innovations. I think that is where SACMI came into this scene. So I went to China, Canton Fair, there I saw SACMI big booth. Then I came here, SACMI, and talked to top management. And we bought some production lines. There only I understood SACMI is not only giving something and wash off hands. SACMI is a real partner, collaborator, and helping in innovations. SACMI people help us a lot in state-of-the-art technology. Now, you know, in Sri Lanka, we are the market leader. Sri Lanka has got 8 factories producing ceramics bathware, but still 60% of market capitalization is only by local production, 40% from imports. Now, my company has got 450 dealer network all around Sri Lanka, and customers are very happy because we give lifetime warranty. Now 60%, we have to go for 100% local production, but at a low cost to the consumer and high quality product to consumer. With the new facilities we got from SACMI, we can double the capacity, because we have out of 8 factories in Sri Lanka, our company has got 3. So we can easily double the production, and by next year in 2025, 100% demand can be met within the local industries. So that is our target. Technology is the base for sustainability. So then the balance may be 20% innovations and the technology. We are into different sectors. Everybody knows Ceylon tea. Our company has got 5 tea factories. Our group has about 1,200 people, and our stakeholders more than 15,000 people. So altogether about 20,000 people. So more than 25,000 families are dependent on us. I really value SACMI for this value creation and know-how transfer to us. Whenever I come to anywhere in Europe, I never forget to come to SACMI and spend 1 or 2 days, because the speaking to people, they tell us a lot of things about the innovation, value creation, and new products also. A lot of things. So that's, I really love that one, because finally consumer should be satisfied. That is the bottom line. So our vision is also connecting the dots, connecting the people, connecting the different supply chains, and make everybody happy. Since I live in US, my frequency of coming to SACMI has increased, maybe 2-3 times a year. I am really happy with these people. It's like my family.